A customer buys your product. The order is complete. Everything goes well. But they never get the chance to support a good cause.
Many customers would happily donate, but without a donation option, that opportunity is lost. Every order could make a difference.
With the donation feature, customers can donate during checkout. It only takes one click. Every order creates a positive impact for customers, charities, and your business.
Hey, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add donation plan on your Shopify store. First, install the app. Once the installation is complete, go to the plan section on your site. Here you will see the donation. Click on it, enter the campaign name. You can use any name you prefer. For example, I am entering donation. The description field is optional, and adding an image is also optional, but in this example, we will upload an image for the campaign. Once the image has been uploaded, scroll down to the donation amount section. Here we will first set a default donation amount. This amount will be pre-selected when the donation widget is displayed to customers, making it easier for them to contribute. You can then add additional donation amounts according to your requirements. To create more donation options, click Add Amount and enter the desired values. Once you have finished setting up the donation amounts, click Save. Once the plan has been created successfully, you will need the campaign ID for the next steps, so keep it ready to copy from the campaign details page. Go to the Customize Appearance section. Here you can update the Donate button text and customize the other widget settings as needed. Next, click Add Block and open the Theme Customization section to edit the donation widget. Earlier, we copied the campaign ID from the donation campaign. Now, locate the donation campaign ID field on the front page settings and paste the campaign ID there. You will notice that the donation widget appears below. If needed, you can remove the existing widget and add it from a different location, such as the home page or a product page. To add the widget to a product page, go to the product template where your products are displayed. Click Add Block. Navigate to Apps and select Donate Campaign. Paste the campaign ID into the designated field. Once the campaign ID is added, the widget preview will appear below. Click Save. Now, click View to open the storefront. The donation widget should be visible and live on the page. Next, let's test the campaign image. Go back to the campaign settings and remove the campaign image. Save the changes and return to the live widget page. Refresh the page and you will see that the campaign image is no longer displayed. Now, let's update the default donation amount. Earlier, we selected one donation amount as the default option. Change the default selection to another donation amount and save the campaign. Return to the storefront and refresh the page. You will notice that the newly selected donation amount is now pre-selected by default. Next, scroll down to the Enable Custom Amount section. Here, you can define the minimum and maximum donation values that donors are allowed to enter. To disable custom donations, simply uncheck the option and save the changes. Go back to the live widget and refresh the page. You will notice that the custom donation amount field is no longer available. Now, let's configure recurring donations. Navigate to the recurring frequency settings, change the frequency name from monthly to weekly, then update the billing frequency to weekly as well. Click Add Frequency and save the changes. Next, edit the one-time donation option. Enable or disable it according to your requirements and save the settings. Finally, return to the live widget and refresh the page. You will now see the weekly donation option available. Depending on your settings, the one-time donation option will either be displayed or removed from the widget. Now return to the main page and open the Customize Appearance section. From here, you can change the template of your donation widget. As you can see, Aon Subscriptions supports multiple widget templates, giving you plenty of design options to match your store's branding. Select your preferred template and click Save. Go back to the live widget page and refresh the storefront. You will see that the new template is now reflected on the live donation widget. This concludes our donation plan setup tutorial. For additional help and resources, be sure to visit our channel. If you experience any issues while setting up your donation plan, feel free to contact our live chat support team for assistance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.